Joe is dealing you a 3-card hand from a standard deck of 52 cards, 4 of which are aces. The probability that Joe will deal you exactly 3 cards is... Before I read the answers, let me review something here for you so you know. The first number that is being read is the first hand that you're being dealt. The second number that I will read is the second hand you're being dealt. And the third number that I will read is the third hand you're being dealt. So, the probability that Joe will deal you exactly 3 aces is A, 4 out of 52, 4 out of 52, and 4 out of 52, or B, 3 out of 52, 3 out of 52, and 3 out of 52, or C, 4 out of 52, 3 out of 52, and 2 out of 52, or D, 4 out of 52, 3 out of 51, 2 out of 50, or E, none of these. First of all, it's important to note that we're dealing with a standard deck of 52 cards, and when he's dealing this is being done without replacement. So let me note that here. Without replacement. What that means is, once we take a card away from the deck, we are not replacing it. So once we take one of those 52 cards away, we are not replacing it, and we're going to be left with 51 cards. With that being said, we need to know that we are trying to see the probability that we are getting exactly 3 aces. Okay, so since we have exactly 3 aces, I've shown you right here an explanation which I will read. There are 4 aces in a standard deck of 52 cards. That's the important part. Start out with 4 aces out of 52. In a 3-card hand, the probability of the first card to be an ace is 4 of 52, because we have 52 cards and 4 aces. Since we assume the first card is an ace, assume first card is an ace, remaining cards would be 51 with 3 aces. So then you have 3 out of 51. Because remember, we're doing this out without replacement. So then we assume that the second card, assume second card is also an ace. Remaining cards would be 50 and 2 aces. So the probability of getting an ace in the third hand is 2 out of 50. Again, let's review. We have 4 aces in a deck of 52. So in the 3-card hand, the first card to be an ace is 4 out of 52 because we have 52 cards. We take one of those cards away, we're left with 51 cards and 3 aces, which is our top number. We assume again we get an ace, so then we're left with 50 cards and 2 aces. So in this case, the correct answer is D. Four out of 52, 3 out of 51, and 2 out of 50.